Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another amazing video. So this is my hair before and this is my hair 6 months later. My hair has really changed when I started doing mini braids on my hair. They changed it so well. Okay, you can see that my hair became a lot thickness and growth. And this is my hair full 1 year of mini braids. Okay, so my hair is a very kinky hair. All right, so I love the result I have gotten so far. I love all the products I have been using so far on my hair. This is my hair right now, 2026. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a hair growth deep condition. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let's get started. So guys, this is the ingredient we're using. In here I have black seed, rosemary, fenugreek seed, cloves, and hibiscus. Okay, so I did a hair growth tea which contain all those ingredients, and I decided to keep the chaff for my deep condition. If you're an OG in the channel, you know I always keep the chaff for a deep condition. You don't need to throw it away. Just keep the chaff. After you do your tea, keep the chaff, and then you can use it as a deep condition. Yeah guys, so I've blended it. I added water, and I did not like the consistency of the deep condition I want to do. Like, it's a bit watery, so this was not what I want. So I decided to put this back in the pot and reboil it, and it gave me what I needed, which you guys will see in a bit. Okay, so when you blend this and you get this watery consistency, don't panic, just reboil it. So but yeah, reboil it just like this, and then when you reboil it like this, you get a different consistency. So I added 2 more hibiscus inside this pot. Okay, allow it to boil for like 5 to 10 minutes, and when it's ready, I transfer it in my wig cap so that I can strain. After straining, you guys will see the difference. Okay, this one is a bit thicker than the first one. You can see it's a bit thicker and more redder because of the hibiscus. That's why it's more red than initially. Okay loves, so if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. Thank you all so much for 2,700 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a bit for comment. So this is what we have, and off camera I decided to use a plate and a spoon to press more of my Ayurvedic paste, because we need everything we can get, because this is a deep condition and it's really amazing. Okay, so after this I will be adding in more dry Ayurvedic spices such as moringa, such as neem powder. Those two together is a power booster. Okay, it has really helped me to improve my hair. All these spices I use have really helped me to improve my hair. That's why I keep on using them. Okay, I keep on using all this because it has really helped me in improving my hair. So I'll also be adding in oil. I'm going to be using in black castor oil, Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, if you feel Jamaica black castor oil is too thick for you, you can add any oil of your choice. So I decided to use Jamaica black castor oil on today's recipe. One thing I would say that all these ingredients have in common is hair growth. Another thing I would say again that all these ingredients have in common is it helps to stop hair loss. It improves your hair. If you want thicker, fuller, longer hair, use any of these, which is rosemary, cloves, fenugreek seed, flaxseed too is really amazing for hair growth. Moringa, neem powder, chai seed, all these things are really awesome for hair growth. And also what you eat, your balanced diet is also an important thing when it comes to hair growth. So I'll be using this biotin and collagen condition. I have done a full video revealing the product, and it's really amazing. I love it so much. I love the after feel when I use it on my hair. So I just added a little bit inside the paste, mix everything together. You can see the consistency has changed. It's a bit okay now. All right, so I am going to be applying this. You don't need to strain again. This is what I need. So guys, I just finished washing my hair, as you guys have already seen. So it's clean, right? Let me know in the comment section if the scalp is clean than before. I'm going to be applying this on my hair. Ebuchimo, ebuchimo. So for application, apply from the root of your hair, then you take it down to the tips of your head. That's how I apply this, from the root of my hair to the tips of my hair. So you will not have residue. Don't worry, guys. In case you feel that you have residue on your hair, there won't be any residue when you are rinsing it out. So this is what I did on this particular day. Apply from the root of my hair to the tips of my hair. This smells amazing. And another thing, you can use any condition of your choice. Okay, any condition you have in your house, you can use it. It's not compulsory you use the biotin and collagen condition I'm using. You can use any one, but the most important ingredient for you is the hibiscus, rosemary, fenugreek seed, and black seed, and moringa and neem powder. Those are the most important thing for you to use to enhance your condition. So after applying this all over my hair, I make sure I apply it generously all over my hair. Make sure I coat everything, like, so that my hair can benefit from it. After applying, we'll go to massage it, massage your roots, massage your mouth, the ends of your hair, massage your brain, massage everything. Don't forget your front edges. Those two needs TLC. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section if you watched to this extent. Thank you so much. You are a darling. Thank you all so much. I am really, really loving mini braid. Mini braid is a hairstyle you need to try. You need to do it because it makes wash day really, really easy. Okay, wash day is always easy. Each time I'm washing my hair, I don't really take lots of time. It's always easy for me to wash my hair when I'm on mini braids, and this is the most best decision ever, doing mini braids, because I saw a lady's video where she was losing her hair fall was so much. I said to advise her to try mini braids, and it's a very, very good protective hairstyle that protects your hair and also helps your hair to grow. So this is what my hair looks like after application. This is what it looks like. I have applied everything, finished, and I just want to show you guys how the product is on my hair. Don't worry, guys, we're going to be sitting on a wig, hot cap, yeah, hot cap, so that everything can penetrate inside our hair strand and our hair follicles. So I'm going to use my heat cap off camera for like 30 minutes, then I'll be back after 30 minutes. So guys, I am done. It's 30 minutes already. This is my hair after 30 minutes. So I'm just going to wash it and allow it to air dry before I do my moisturizing routine. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not, share, but comment and I'll see you my besties in my next video. Bye.